Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. It is pouring outside. I just ran to my car. I worked today at the spa. I think I'm gonna do like a few days in my life because it's Wednesday and I have clients Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday, honestly. But I think I'm gonna record a sit-down video today at my spa as well. But I need to go. I have two facials today. One at 1 and one at 2:30. And it is 11:30 right now and I gotta drop Bentley off at my mom's house. So let me go there right now. But I just wanted to do a little intro. You ready to go to grandma's house? We're soaking wet because of this rain. But let me go to my mom's house. Okay, woo! How many times am I going to do that? Okay, I literally put you guys in my cabinet and I always close the door. Oh my god, I'm like, my brother was running. So I had to park so far and it's raining. Also, I have my Embrace change shirt on. I need to set up for this facial really quickly. I have enough towels. I need all these towels. I have two facials back to back. So let me make my towels, turn my candles on, get everything situated because they are coming in like 20 minutes. So let me get this ready. I like to play this like relaxing music on my tablet lately, although I think it's dead. I might have to charge it. But I've been playing like waterfall music.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake.
Okay, I have the microderm brushes and microderm tips and the water that's steaming all set up, ready for the facial. And then, yeah, I have my products right there. Let's turn off the light. Perfect. Now I'm waiting.
But I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta say.
Okay, so I'm finished with the facial, and now I need to turn this over for another one. Put that in there, this in there, this in there. And I will clean and sterilize those. I need to flip this and this. Oh yeah, I used this and this as well. So I use high frequency and a jade roller. So let me clean all these. My camera is about to die, so hopefully it doesn't die.
I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. And I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm trying to have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was you.
Okay, I have everything set up for my second facial. High frequency is cleaned, brushes are cleaned, jade roller is cleaned, water, and my towels are ready. Now I'm just waiting for her to come. I have my water here too because I was so thirsty. Okay, I just recorded a sit down video. Sorry, I'm cleaning my tools. I just recorded a sit down video, and it's basically like I was answering some comments that people had, like how I built my clientele and how I kept my clientele, like owning my business and stuff. But I hope you guys find that helpful. That'll probably be out before this video. And then after I clean up here, we are going to a restaurant with my grandma and my aunt and my mom and dad. Because my aunt's in town. But let me just clean all this up first. And then I will go to my mom's house and see what they're doing. But yeah. Right now it's Friday. I recorded a little bit yesterday, Thursday, but I didn't really like the footage, so it's just gonna be like a Wednesday and Friday vlog. But right now I am waiting for my brow wax client I set up, and yeah, so let me just wait for her. I work at Chili's tonight too, so that'll be fun. Sorry, I got like a message on my Instagram, but making sure it wasn't my client. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of deep cleaning before my facial. So I'm gonna put you guys right here, and I'm going to sweep and Swiffer. So I feel like I haven't done this in a while. I feel like I definitely should.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me, no matter where we might be. I'll keep you company, I'll keep you company. Can I just take some time while I lose my mind? You've been gone for a minute and I can't seem to unwind. dreaming in reality. Even when you're not with me, no, I'll always keep you company. Your company. What should I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I'll be spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me, no matter where we might be. I'll keep you company. I'll keep you.
I am making towels for my 2 facials in my freshly clean sink. So I am going to do these and then I'll chill for a little bit.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000.
Alright, sorry, ignore my coffee. But I got my room all set up for my teen facial. And then I have a enzyme after.
Different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours all, but you fill me up and I
Hello. Hold on. Okay. I just finished my teen facial and I'm eating my lunch. And then I have a facial in like 40 minutes as well. But my dad made me a sandwich, so I'm eating that right now. Looking at some comments on YouTube, which let me take a look. Everybody's loving this video. Thanks, guys. I'm glad you guys like. But yeah, keep looking at it. Okay, I am done with my facials. Let me clean them. Let me clean this. Yeah, just do this in a second. Okay, I'm gonna clean this really quick. And then I'll take this apart. Do this. My dirty towels. Okay, let me clean this bowl and get ready to go, and then I have to go back to my mom's house, change into my like Chili's attire and then go to work again. Round 2. Okay, I am at my serving job and I'm about to go in. This is the first time I'm serving like 100% by myself, so this will be interesting.
feel it now.